Hello. Hello, Duck.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes,
Okay. All right. How are you today, Duck?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Why? Why are you feeling happy, my dear?
I'm happy because I play with friends with school.
You played with your friend at school. What kind of game did you play?
I play a football.
Oh, you played football. I see, honey. All right. Have you eaten dinner already?
Yeah, I eat. I eat.
You ate what?
Eat. I eat. I eat a meat, fish, chicken, egg,
Hmm?
vegetable, and rice.
Wow, you ate a lot, Duck. Great, that's very yummy. Me, I haven't eaten anything. I'm so hungry.
I don't hungry.
You're not hungry. Yes, you're not hungry anymore because you've eaten already.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, honey, how's the weather today in your country or in your place? How's the weather?
It's cold, cloudy, and sunny.
It's cloudy and sunny today. Can you say that? It's
It's cloudy and sunny today.
very good. Okay. So anyway, honey, let's move forward to our new lesson now. Are you ready for our new lesson?
Yes,
Yes, I am.
yes, I am.
Very good. Okay, so teacher is now going to share the screen. Can you see the screen now?
Yes,
Okay, so we have here now this one, honey, the unit number 2. Still, honey, and we're still going to have the topic about my school. My school. Okay?
oh,
Yeah. So by the end of this lesson, honey, you will be able to ask and answer about school things. Okay? Honey? Wait for a while, Doc. Wait for a while, honey, okay? Hold on for a while. Wait. Let me find your past min doc. Min. Min doc. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so you had the topic about. Okay, here. Family.
Left.
the
Yeah,
on the book,
yeah.
on the book,
Ah,
on
yeah.
the.
Mm. I
It's
put
okay. Yes.
Yes, honey. Now we are going to have this. We're going to have this one. Yeah, let's have a review, honey. Let's have a review, okay? Let's see if you still remember these words. You ready? You
Yeah.
ready? Okay, let's go. What's for number 6? Okay, this one, 3. Oh, spin again.
It's
Spin again. Dun, 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 dun. Say stop. You say stop. You say it, honey. Stop. Can you say it? Stop.
stop,
Okay,
stop,
6 again. 6 again.
stop,
4. How about number 4? What is 4, honey? What is that?
stop.
What is it? Number 4
It's
is?
a chair.
Very good. It is a chair. Great job. Okay, next. 5.
It's a cupboard.
5?
It's a cupboard.
Okay, next. 2.
It's a desk.
Yes. 1.
It's a board.
Okay, very good, honey. Again, what is this? This
It's
one
a
is?
desk.
Yeah,
It's a desk.
yes, very good. It's a desk. One more time. Say it again one more time. It's a desk.
It's a desk.
Very good. Next, we have this. What is it? What's this?
It's a board.
Very good. Great job. Okay. Let's see. Let us see. Very good, honey. It's a board. Board.
Yes.
Yeah, board. Not barred, honey, okay? Board.
Board.
Yes.
Board.
Okay. Next, we have, what is this?
It's a chair.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Next, what is this?
It's a cupboard. No,
Very.
it's a bookcase.
Let's see. Let's see.
Bookcase.
Yay!
Bookcase.
It's a bookcase, not a cupboard. Next, it's time to learn, honey. Let's have these following words. Let's have the first one.
A book.
A book.
Do you have a book at school? Do you have a book at school, honey? Honey?
Huh?
Do you have a book at school?
No.
Okay. I will translate it, okay? I will translate it. This one. Do you have a book at school? Here.
Bạn có sách ở trường không?
Yes.
Very good. Yes, I do.
Yes. Yes, I do.
I have a book.
I have a book. It's
At-
in the school.
I have a
School.
book at school. One more time. I have a book
I
at
have a book at school.
Yes. How do you use your book, honey? How do
The
you use
book-
your book?
The book is a
Làm thế nào để sử dụng cuốn sách của bạn?
is I write a book, not letter.
And then, do you read your book?
Yes, I read a book.
Very good. How many books do you have at school, honey? How many books do you have at school?
Is
Do you have many books?
is here. Is here. Hey.
Huh? What is
One
it?
more time.
Okay, one more time. Honey, do you understand the question? How many books do you... Very good. You say, I have 12 books.
I have 12 books.
Very good. Great job. Okay, the next one is...
A pencil.
A pencil.
Yeah, when do you use a pencil, honey? When do you use a pencil?
The pencil is in the pencil case.
Yes. Yes,
it's
very good, honey. It's in the pencil case, but
Khi nào bạn dùng bút chì?
khi nào?
I at school and I got homework.
Very good. I use my pencil. You say, I use my pencil when I do
Homework.
my
Do my homework.
Yes.
Do my homework and
And
write at school.
Okay. Again, one more time. Okay. When do you use your pencil? I use
my pencil when I do my homework and write at school.
Very good. Great job, honey. All right. Next one. We have
A rubber.
Rubber.
very good. Do you have a rubber duck?
Yes.
Yes.
The rubber is a mango.
Wow. Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Wow. It looks like a mango. It's a very cute. How many rubbers do you have?
I have one rubber.
Yeah, it looks very cute. It really looks like a mango. Okay. The next one, honey. The next two. Okay. Oh, wait. When do you use a rubber, honey?
Khi nào?
The rubber.
Khi nào thì bạn dùng cục tẩy?
I use a rubber is
When? I use my rubber when?
when I is my pencil.
To? When?
pencil.
To erase. Yeah, to erase my writing. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, writing by the use of the pencil. Of the pencil. Okay, one more time, honey. Please read. I use my rubber.
I use my rubber when I eraser my writing by the use of the pencil.
Honey, wait for a while. How do you read this?
Eraser.
Honey, this one is erase.
Eraser.
Nani, it's erase.
It's race.
Yeah, this one is eraser with R. Okay?
Eraser.
Yeah, this one is erase. This one is eraser. Okay,
Erase.
Yeah.
Erase.
Yeah. Erase is
Xóa.
Eraser.
yeah, xóa. Erase is xóa. Yeah.
Xóa.
It's xóa. And eraser is here. Eraser is
Cục
Cục
tẩy.
tẩy.
cook tie. Yeah. Very good. It's cook tie.
Yes,
One more time.
yes.
How do you read it?
Erase.
Very
Xóa.
good. Xóa. Eraser.
Eraser.
Xúc. Xúc tay. Okay, one more time. I want you to read this one again. Kindly read this one.
Erase. Eraser.
This one. I use
my rubber when I erase my writing by the use of the pencil.
very good. That's erase. Honey, but my dear doc, this one is not us, it's use.
Use.
Okay,
Yes.
very good. Use is 수동.
sử dụng,
Sử dụng. Sử dụng. Yes, use. One more time, say use.
Use.
Yes, very good. Honey, not us, okay? Not us.
Yes.
Use. One more
Yes.
time.
Yes.
Use.
Use. Use.
Yes. Okay. Now, let's have the next one. We have
A school bag.
a school
A
bag.
school bag.
Yes. What's the color of your school bag, honey?
My school bag is black.
Wow. My bag. Let me show you. Let me show you my bag. My bag is green. Look at mine. Wait. I
And
will
my
show you.
bag, and my bag, your picture is red.
It's green here. The bag in the picture is red. Very good. Yes, okay, honey? What's inside your school bag? What's inside your school bag?
The book, the pencil, the rubber, the pencil case is on the school bag.
Very good. Such a smart boy. Okay, again, one more time. The first one is
A book, a
uh,
pencil,
uh,
a rubber,
uh.
a school bag.
Yes, very good. Okay, one more time. What's the first one?
A book, a pencil, a rubber, and a school bag.
Very good. Okay, what's this?
It's a pencil.
It's a pencil. One more time. It's a pencil.
It's a pencil.
Very good. Next, what's this?
It's a rubber.
Very good. It's a rubber. What's this?
It's a school bag.
What's this?
It's a book.
Very good. Now you have to complete the words. Please write. Please write. Oh. Yes. Very good, honey. What is that again, Duck? That one
It's a
is?
book.
It's a book.
O-A-K.
Yeah. B-O-O-K. Next.
Rubber.
Very good. A rubber. Okay, great. Let's see. Great job. Next. Yay! It's a pen.
Pencil.
Pencil. Pencil. Pencil. Okay, next to pencil is this one.
School bag. School bag. School bag is not here.
How do you spell it? S?
I don't spell.
You don't know?
S-O-O.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay. Why is this a bookcase? It's wrong, honey. This one is not a bookcase. This one is a school bag. Yeah. How do you spell school bag, honey?
SCHOOL.
And then B
BAG.
A-G. Very good. This one is not okay. Let's have the structure, honey. Let's listen and then repeat, okay? Let's go.
Is this your rubber?
Can you say it?
Is your rubber?
Is this your rubber?
Is this your rubber?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yes. Say it.
Yes, it is.
Very
Is
good.
Is
This
your
your
pencil?
pencil?
Yeah. Is it your pencil?
No, it isn't.
Wow. You know already.
Exercise 2.
Okay. Let's
Exercise
Okay, let's have this one, honey. What's the first question?
Is your rubber?
Is
Yes,
this?
it is. Is this
this?
our rubber?
Mm.
Is
Very
your rubber?
good.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Is it your pencil? No,
Mm.
it isn't.
Wow. You remembered everything. Great job, Duck. Okay. For your structure, honey, this will be for your structure. Please read your structure for tonight.
Yes. Is it your rubber? Yes, it is. Is your pencil? No, it isn't.
Okay, for the usage, honey, it is to ask and answer about school things. Okay, so let's have this one. Let's read. You're going to read, circle, ask, and then answer, honey. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, number 1.
Is this your book?
Is this, honey, this.
This.
One more time. Is this your book? One more time. Is this your book?
Is this your book?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Very good. Next is, please read a question, honey. Is this your
pencil? No, it isn't.
Very good. Perfect answer. Okay, let's have this one, honey. What's the question? Is this
your book? No, it isn't.
Honey, this. This. One more time. This.
This. It is.
Yes. Very good. Okay, is this your book? No, it isn't. Next.
Is this your pencil? Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Next.
Is this your school bag? No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. Next.
Is this your rubber? Yes, it is.
Very good. Okay, let's have this.
Is this your book? No, it isn't. Is this your pencil? Yes, it is. Is this your bag? No, it isn't. Is this your rubber? Yes, it is.
Very good. This one.
Is this your book? Yes, it is. Is this your book? No, it isn't.
Okay.
Is this your school bag? Yes, it is. Is this your school bag? No, it isn't.
Very good.
Is this your rubber? Yes, it is. Is this your rubber? No, it isn't.
Very good. No, it isn't. Next.
Is this your pencil? No. Yes, it is. Is this your Pencil? No, it isn't.
Wow. Oh, we're done already. So this will be the vocabularies that you've learned for tonight, honey. What are these words we have
Today,
for today's lesson?
for today's lesson,
The
is
vocabularies.
a vocabulary I learned about
Learned?
are a
Yes, very
book,
good.
a pencil, a rubber, and a bag.
Wow, very good. Great job. Okay, how about for the structure? For today's lesson,
For today's lesson,
the structures.
the structure I learned about are: is this your rubber? Yes, it is. Is
Yes.
this your pencil? No, it isn't.
Very good. Okay, for your homework, honey, you're going to practice the vocabularies and the structure, and then you're going to make sentences using them. Okay, what is the first word that you've learned for tonight? Number one is
A book, a pencil, a rubber, and a school bag.
very good. Which one is your
It's a
favorite,
board.
honey?
It's
It's a board. What else? A board and
Yes,
a
board. Board
chair,
is
chair,
a
chair,
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 board,
chair, board,
board,
book, book, book,
book, desk,
bookcase, and then
bookcase,
and
school bag, rubber,
yes.
pencil.
Yeah, that's it. That is it, honey. Okay, so we are already done with this one. Let's do spelling. Let's do spelling test, okay? Okay,
Board,
let's see if you still remember.
board, board, board,
Board, board, board, board. Board, 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 board. It is loading. Why is it loading? Okay, honey. It's actually loading, my dear. So do you want to have the next book, honey? Do you want to have the next book, Doc? Okay.
Yes.
So we are already done with the lesson 2A, honey. So now we're going to have lesson 3A. And we're going to have like a little glimpse of it, my dear, okay? We are going to have this one tomorrow. But let's have a
Yeah.
little bit of relapse or review.
One time.
All right. Yeah, we just have a minute left, honey. Okay. By
Ask
the
and ask question. Home in. Go out. Take to my friend. May I go out? Yes, you may. May I take to my friend? No, you may not.
Okay, by the end of this lesson, honey, you will be able to ask and give permissions. Okay?
Yes.
By
yes.
the end of this lesson,
Is
you will be able to give
is past is
and
past 5 is past 5 is 5 past 7 is 5
Đến
is
cuối
5
bài học
past
này,
7.
bạn sẽ có thể cho phép và xin phép.
okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's have the review, honey. We just have seconds left. Okay? Let's have review. Is this
Your book? Yes, it is. 7-6.
honey?
Is this a book? No, it isn't.
Yes. How about this?
Oh, it says it's 6 past 7.
Wait for a while. We just have okay. We just have seconds left, Duke. Thank you so much, honey, for your time. You did so well today.
Yes.
Bye bye, honey. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.